Good evening. My name is Sharon Coody. I'm 72 years old and I am a survivor. I knew that I had a family history of heart disease. My mom had a heart attack at the age of 42. My dad had 2 heart attacks, and my brother had a heart attack at the age of 55. In May of this last year, I had a heart attack, and I had had a complete heart checkup just 2 years prior, and everything had been fine. But I had back surgery and been under a lot of stress since then, and I had started having some symptoms. I thought I knew the symptoms of the heart attack, but I was really fatigued. I would walk just a short distance and I'd have to stop, sit down, rest, break out in a sweat. I started having a lot of severe pain in my right side and in my back, and I thought maybe this was a bleeding ulcer I'd had earlier, or maybe just indigestion. And I remembered hearing Barbara Cantley speak at the Go Red banquet about having indigestion so bad before she had a heart attack. I went over to the clinic and they did an extensive blood workup, and after a few days I didn't hear from them, and when the pain got so severe I went to the emergency room, and I realized since then that I should have called an ambulance, that I thought just because I lived within about 2 miles of the hospital that I could drive myself, and I found out that's not the thing to do either. We're blessed, I think, to have Ashley County Memorial Hospital. As soon as I got here, Sheila Upshaw went to work on me, and I think without her and the good Lord and maybe a lot of prayers, I wouldn't be here. But they give me a clot buster, they give me nitro, they give me morphine for the severe pain. And we're also blessed, I think, to be able to have airlift from Crossett to Little Rock. Arrangements was made for me to be flown out to the Arkansas Heart Hospital. When I got there, they had a surgeon waiting for me. I had 2 blockages in one artery. They put 2 stents in. They did a small incision in my wrist, and I'm also very grateful that we have Ashley Memorial, that we have nurses like Sheila and the staff here and all, and that we have a way to be flown out to Little Rock and all with. And I'm also thankful that we have Dr. Bruce Murphy. He has worked really, really hard to bring doctors and cardiologists in that will come here to Crossett and take care of us and work for us here in Ashley County. And my daughter Sandra and I had been planning a cruise to Alaska for several years, and after I had the heart attack in May, I was able to, and getting the stents, I was able to go on that cruise with Sandra and Anna and make some real special memories, and I am a survivor and I'm blessed.